Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very pretty, very beautiful pattern. See, it looks so beautiful. It has this beautiful flower pattern. See, you can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, Jane sweater, baby's blanket as well. See, this is how it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all right side is all knit stitches. You will need all stitches for every right side rows. Wrong side looks like this. See, so this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12, and plus 3 extra stitches 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side, row 1 and every right side rows knit all stitches. So your edge stitch knit through the back loop, or you can knit through the front loop, your edge stitch and knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3 together and make 3 stitch here. So 1, 2 and 3. Purl 3 together and make 3 stitch here. 1, wrap the yarn around like so, that's gonna create 1 stitch, 2 and purl one more time, 3 stitch, 1 2 3, and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here, these 4 stitch. Purl 3 together and make 3 purl stitch here, and then purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 3 together and make 3 purl stitch here, 1 2 and 3, and then purl 1. One more time, we have one more repeat. Purl 3 together, make 3 stitch here, 2 and 3, and purl 1. So we have done 3 repeats here, 1 2 3, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 4 stitch, 3 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, purl 3 together and make 3 here, 1 2 3, and then edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 3 right side, row 3 right side, knit all stitches. Your edge stitch knit through the back loop or knit all stitches. Row 4 wrong side, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. First purl 2 and then you will start the repeat. your edge stitch and purl 2, and now start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. The repeat pattern is same, purl 3 together. See, this time you're gonna purl these 3, 1 from here, 1 in the middle, and 1 from here. Purl these 3 together, purl 3 together and make 3 here, 1 2 3, and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3 together and make 3 stitch here and purl 1. Again purl 3 together, make 3 here, 2 and 3, and then purl 1. One more repeat, purl 3 together, 1 2 and 3, and then purl 1. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is, see, this is one repeat, and now repeat this 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.